we need to plot the graph of y equals negative x. So if x was 3, y would be the negative of that x value. So if x was 3, y is going to be negative 3. So y is negative 3. When x is 2, y is going to be the negative of x. So y would be negative 2. The same if x was 1, then y is going to be negative 1. When x is 0, well, plus or minus 0 doesn't make any difference. So when x is 0, y is also going to be 0. When x is negative 1, if we just substitute that in, that would be minus negative 1. And when we subtract a negative, that's the same as creating a positive. So that would give us a coordinate value of 1 for y when x is negative 1. The same when x is negative 2, that would be minus negative 2, which would be plus 2. And for when x would be negative 3, because it's subtract negative 3 would give us a positive 3. So what this in fact does, it just means that the y value is the opposite sign of the x value. So if the x value is negative, the y value is positive. If the x value is positive, then the y value becomes negative. So let's just quickly plot these values. So 3, negative 3, then I've got 2, negative 2, 1, negative 1, then 0, 0, which we also call the origin, then negative 1, 1, negative 2, 2, and negative 3, positive 3. So they should all lie in a straight line. Let's just check they do. Very good. And we can join these up and extend the line. All points on this line, the x value and the y value are the opposite sides. Just going to label it as y equals negative x.